Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be continuing my world. So let's continue. Please like and subscribe the video, and let's begin. So we ended at night. And I'm not doing very good so far. Ooh, yeah, that's yumminess. So, let's put it in the chest. Yep. If you guys have any pointers for me, I mean, I guess I may have said it last time, you can always put in the comments or, you know. I'm not the best Minecraft player. Should we test our luck? Let's do it. Get. Yeah. Nailed it. Huh. Where are all the monsters? Oh look, creeper. Oh man. Oof. Nailed it. Alright. Oh look, another creeper. Hit him and run. Hit him and run. Hit him and run. Hit him and run. Ooh, I got it. Yes. Alright. It's pretty nice, right? Alright. Ah. Go away. Go away. I don't like you. Go away. Ooh. Can always use some of that. Sorry, little chicken butt. Yeet! Oh, missed. No, I didn't. I can't believe that you get. I can't believe you get. Oh. You get points for killing defenseless chicken. I mean, creeper's one thing. I mean, that thing will just blow you up. I can't believe people are afraid of creepers. You're supposed to fight creepers. Creeper. Aw, man. Darn it. Stinks. We should probably head back to my house before I lose it. And it's happened before, because I am not very good with this. Oh, see. Ooh. Ooh, yum yum. Some actually like freshness. Oh, whoops. I'll take that. Is this my house? It's my house. Just relax. Welcome to my house, baby. Nice. Oh yeah, I can make a fishing pole. Give me some actual good healthy meat. Alright, let's. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, that's mine. Nope. Can I have that back? Thank you. Whoops. Oh, hi, little cow. I'll let you be. Yes, I will. Alright, we have to eat. So let's take our apple. And look at all the stuff we gotta put in our inventory. Let's see. Always take that raw punch. What's in there? Yep, nice. What's that? Sheep? Pretty sure there's sheep out there. I go get it. Oh my gosh. I saw you, little sheep. No, that's not a sheep. That's a skeleton. That's okay. I can beat up skeleton. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's two skeletons. Can't get me. I'm too fast. Oh no. No, I'm not. Ooh. Oh! Go away, go away, go away. Man. I died. Oof. Oh man. Oh man. Steve was shot by an arrow. That's not good. Let me, no. Mama. Mama. Freaking nothing. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Alright guys. Can I reach that? I'm better than you. And you. And you. Oh my god. Come here, you. I'll punch you. I ain't afraid of dying. Oh yeah. Give me some too. Where'd you go, little spider? I ain't afraid of no death. I am in. Oh my gosh, that's a zombie. I don't like zombies. First time I ever saw a zombie, I had nightmares. My puppy's crying. What? I can't have this stuff littering around in my room? Gosh. Alright. Oh man, this is the longest night in the world. Alright, let's see. Can we make an some bone meal? That's all we can make because we have nothing. We are nothing. Boop, boop. Ooh, bone. Always bring those in case you have a wolf. Don't need arrows. Eat. Boink. Do I need it? Take 2 sticks. Alright. Take all this again. Alright, what do we need? I thought I needed something, but I can't think of it right now. So let's go mining, because that is exactly what we need to do. Oh, look. Don't you dare blow up. No, my gosh. Why? I ran away from you. You should have followed me. Really? Really? Now you? How many monsters did I spawn around? Gosh, that's annoying. Oh, poor zombie. Oh, no. Hey, give you a pickaxe. Isn't that enough for you? Charge. Oh, it's glitching out. Right. 5, 6, 5. Cover up this giant hole. Luckily, we always have a lot of dirt. Let's go grab some more. Nope. Escape. PC is actually really fun to play this on. Boop. Aha. Okay. Shortest range ever. Eat. Alright. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Peach. Peach. Oh, messed that up. So glad that that's what I'm doing. Here, fix my house. I'm a creeper. Nice. Alright. Ooh, cat. Yep, that's how we're doing it. Gonna get us some nice. Ooh, what's that? Let's just grab. Gonna get us some stone. And then that hopefully we'll get iron before 90 minutes are up. But I will end this video once I have all my iron made. Thank you for watching, guys. Right, here. Stone sword, thank you very much. Stone pickaxe, thank you very much. No. Need. And last but not least, a shovel. Alright, nice. So we have everything. And we already have a furnace. Ooh, what we can do is put my house back together. What in the world? What am I doing? No, I don't want to do this. We're gonna put a wood plank floor for now. And we ran out of wood. It's cool with me. Gotta go back out and get some more. Oh, that's better. Oh man, creeper. Crap. Nope. Alright, I'm just gonna finish putting the floors. And then, oh, it's going to go to the end. Nice. And we're just gonna use up the rest of our wood. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to me and of course my good friend Captain Freeman. See you in the next video.